everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle True 138 Super Sport car, guys. And this thing is gorgeous. It's about a 10-year-old documented frame-off restoration. Bought this car from a gentleman down in Georgia. He's got all the pictures, he's got all the receipts for the resto, and this thing is beautiful. It's got a 396 motor in it. It's got a Tremec TKO 600 5-speed manual transmission, full-wheel disc brakes, air, Hotchkiss lowering suspension, brand new 18 and 20-inch American Racing torque thrust all the way around it, and just a pretty car. It's finished in torch red. It's got the black vinyl interior, and again, this is a true 138 Super Sport car. He's got he gave us the original owner's manuals, the Protecto plate for the car, as well as the build sheet. Very cool car, very nicely done. Chrome and stainless is very nice. He's actually got the halo lights in it. When we go through the lights on this car, you'll see that. New front and rear bumpers. Slick paint on it. Pretty car, guys. All new glass. Gorgeous 67 right here. It's got all custom sound system in it. Power rear antenna. Laser straight down the sides. Again, brand new rubber, brand new wheels, four-wheel disc brakes. This is a killer Chevelle, guys. It's not matching numbers. It's actually got a 69 396 motor in it. It's got a Holley 770 Street Avenger 4-barrel in it. You can see it's got the Edelbrock Performer intake, Voodoo camshaft. It's got roller rockers, a set of Hedman ceramic headers. It's got all the March aluminum pulleys and brackets. It's got an aftermarket power steering unit in it. Again, power four-wheel disc brakes, HEI distributor. And it's got aftermarket AC. Detailed up real nice, just a nice car. The sun's going to shine on us a little bit. See how nice that 8-pillar chrome? He's definitely replaced that. New mirrors, new door handles, all new door rubbers and window whiskers. It's got the black vinyl interior, new carpet. Factory bench seat. It's got the Hurst shifter. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it. Very cool option in 67. It's got the blinker tach, factory dash, showing 46,691. I'm sure that's not original, guys. Aftermarket gauge. Again, it's got a custom sound system in it. Even the clock works. Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's a 12 bolt 355 limited slip rear end, front and rear sway bars. It's got the spare. It's all spackle painted in. There's part of your sound system, your parlor antenna. Here's all your restoration receipts, build sheet, Protecto plate. Again, more receipts, and there's the book on the resto, guys. It's all spackle. It's actually kind of hammer coated. He put a hammer coat in the trunk. Nice car, man. Car sounds good. It's a new fuel tank. Car is exceptionally nice. Turn the key, take it right to a show. It's that kind of car. Really nicely done. I have Jay fired up here. Just kicked your air on, it works, it blows cold. We had it on down there, a little warmer down there than it was up here. Jay flips those lights on. It's got the halo lights on it, which is pretty cool. Park and brake does work. Flip your blinker on, Jay, does that work? Isn't that cool? That's why they call it a blinker tach. Gauges down there, functional. Park and brake does work, guys. Even the backup lights work. Bad ride right there. All custom sound system, blower motor works. Yeah, you can't see that. It's got the halo lights in it, which are pretty cool. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through Facebook, or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. That's a bad ride right there, man. Have a great day, guys.